Hello everyone, welcome to wilozycrochet channel, where I could support you in doing crochet and also share my free crochet projects with you. Well, if my sharing is useful to you in some ways, then please kindly give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That would be the biggest support from you to me. Thank you. Well, I'm going to show you how to crochet or how to make ellipse like this. It's crochet ellipse on this head. Okay. So at first you will need a hook, a needle, scissors, and yarns. In here I need 2 lines of the purple yarn. And before starting, let's get to know 3 tips to crochet better ellipse. At first is using a little smaller hook, and the second one is crochet more tightly when you make the ellipse. The last one is you can use a little bit smaller yarn string size to make it work better. So that's all. Let's start. At first, I have already indicated here the 2 areas that I'm going to use. So this is 2 stitches. Okay, so I mark 2 stitches. That is the lower. That stay like 1 line below the nose. See it? So it's the line below the nose. After indicate it here, let's see, I will insert my hook from this. So from this I will insert my hook here, and then I will make it, I can pull it up here and pull this one out. Can you see it? Now I take 1 long line of the purple yarn, the color that I decided to make for the lips color. So wrap the yarn around your finger like this, and now let's wrap the yarn around the hook like this. Okay. After wrap the yarn around the hook, I'm about to pull the yarn through. I'm about to pull the yarn through like this. Okay. Let me redo it. So after you pull the yarn through like this, we're about to wrap the yarn here and pull it through this loop, and then we make 1 chain. Okay. Let's just pull this one a little bit tightly like this. Alright. Then now let's crochet 3 here. Let's crochet 3 single crochet into this loop. So 1, 2, and 3. So you have 3 stitches on the hook. No, I'm sorry. So you have 3 stitches on the screen. Okay. We are now having 3 stitches on the loops, the curve here. Then let's pull this one. Pull it. And then we need to use needle. Where's my needle? Here. Now we need to use needle. You see the short yarn here? Make it like this, and then into this line we will sew it here. We do it the same for this yarn, but at the moment it's too long, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit. Okay, so sew it. Insert it into this area. Move it here. So you pull these two lines, pull it, and you have 3 stitches here. It's the first lip. Now we're going to crochet the second one with the same method. Okay. Continue with the second lip. I will turn the head like this. Still same. I will insert my hook into the 2 previous stitch here. Insert it like this, and once again I wrap the yarn here. Wrap yarn here and pull it through. Here. Here. Pull it through here. And then wrap the yarn here. Pull it through this loop. See? And then make 1 chain. Continue I will crochet here with 4 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 stitches, I will pull this yarn I pull this yarn and I'm gonna hide it in the same way I did to the period row here, and then insert it into the same area and pull it into the same area here. Later we will hide this yarn by make a knot tightly. 1, 2, and then sew it into the needle like this. Insert the needle into the same stitch, pull it up into any random place. Now you hide one. Repeat it for the second one. insert it into the same area and move it up to any random area. So now it disappears, and you can cut these 2 yarn. It's safe to be cut now. 1, 2. Let's redo for the same area here. Back to the lip. That's how I complete making the lips. Here. These 2 lips, they look similar. You know what? I will give you one tip to crochet the lips in the best look. So I just redo it and you will see it look nicer. Because why? With the same yarn here, I did not use my original hook, which is 2.5 millimeters, and I changed it to the smaller hook, which is 2 millimeters. So my tip here is the more tight, the better, and the smaller hook, the better when you crochet to make the lips.